Ever wondered what your credit score means or how you can improve it? Well, ponder no more. Today, we delve into the world of credit scores, demystifying this financial enigma and giving you the tools to boost your own score. So, what exactly is a credit score? It's a three-digit number that lenders use to assess how likely you are to repay your debts. It's like a financial report card. And just like in school, you want your score to be as high as possible. A higher score can grant you access to better interest rates, more favorable loan terms, and can even influence whether you're approved for a loan in the first place. Credit scores range from 300 to 850. Anything above 700 is generally considered good, while anything above 800 is exceptional. But if you find yourself on the lower end of the spectrum, don't despair. Improving your credit score is not an overnight task, but with patience and discipline, it's entirely achievable. So, how does one go about improving their credit score? Firstly, always pay your bills on time. Payment history is a significant factor in your credit score, so tardy payments can severely impact it. If you struggle with remembering due dates, consider setting up automatic payments or setting reminders on your phone. Secondly, keep your credit card balances low. The amount of revolving credit you have compared to how much you're using is called your credit utilization ratio. A lower ratio is better for your credit score. Try to keep your ratio under 30%. Thirdly, don't close unused credit cards. While it might seem counterintuitive, closing a credit card can actually hurt your credit score. This is because it reduces your overall credit limit, which can increase your credit utilization ratio. Fourthly, apply for new credit sparingly. Too many credit inquiries in a short period can negatively impact your credit score. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Lastly, regularly check your credit reports for errors. An incorrect late payment or an account that isn't yours can be dragging your score down. Most credit bureaus offer one free credit report per year, so make sure to take advantage of this. To sum up, understanding your credit score is key to improving it. It's a three-digit number that reflects your credit worthiness. To boost your score, remember to pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, don't close unused credit cards, apply for new credit sparingly, and regularly check your credit reports for errors. Remember, a high credit score is not just a number. It's a gateway to better financial opportunities. So, take charge of your financial future and start working on improving your credit score today. Don't wait for tomorrow, because a better credit score means a better tomorrow.